and suddenly the account is gone and the subscribers are left suspended in the space. Nobody knows what's going on. And so guys, I felt like today it's my first time like to react to videos. I've never reacted to any videos since I opened this YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Afrosam, and I do travels, I do content just within Africa. I haven't traveled abroad in any way. So sorry about the lighting, and I'm filming this from my room inside. But today we are going to talk about Wodemaya's situation. Wodemaya is a Ghanaian YouTuber with over 1.2 million subscribers. Just know, those 1.2 million subscribers, majority are Africans, I can assure you. So what he does in his channel, as most of you know, he talks about the misconception on Africa, like just, you know, the way he uplifts the countries which are underrated. He goes there and does videos practically. So I realized that of recent he has been blowing and going viral with his recent videos about Namibia. You know, he has been in very nice places which nobody else had seen before. So as a subscriber, as an African, as a creative, as a like someone who is doing content also about Africa, I thought of why not also say something about this. Like yesterday, something strange happened. Like, as you've seen in most of the platforms right now, people are talking about Wodemaya. Africa is crying. Where is our big guy? Why is Africa crying about Wodemaya, like getting lost just out of the blue? The reason is this guy inspires a lot of YouTubers, he inspires a lot of content creators, he inspires African leaders, he inspires a lot, like the Africans, the ordinary man, you know. Even people like get to be proud of where they come from. I started following Wodemaya years ago, even way back in the years, you know. So I was like, no, today, if something happens like this, what can be the possible cause, and what can be the possible solution, and what lesson can content creators and Africans learn out of what has happened to Wodemaya, you know. So this guy, he has really put a lot of efforts in his videos. I myself, I feel like I'm doing nothing, man. This guy works hard every day and night, you know. Even like, leave alone how much he makes on his YouTube channel. But man, doing YouTube is not easy. Just pulling a single video like this is not easy. So you find he is consistent, he's posting often, he doesn't disappoint his fans. When he's live, you can, you know, he can come around and tag you. You also have your chat. I remember I was like featured in his live stream twice. Even I took a screenshot. I was like, wow, I'm featured in a 1 million subscriber channel. This is awesome. I was very impressed. So basically I want to dive into the real like content of this video. Today's video is about my personal say, you know, about the disappearance of Wodemaya's YouTube channel. We really need you back, bro. I'm playing neutral here, and I'm not gonna blame you for anything that has happened. So we follow you on Facebook, Instagram, even Twitter, you know. So what we request is just at least tell us whatever is happening, you know. You inspire many people, I can assure you. Whenever you're doing live stream, imagine over 1,000 people plus, they come live, like they're chatting. Imagine, this is a big number. It can be late at night, but people are still there to chat with you. You inspire the Africans, you know. You are changing the narrative. So at least post somewhere and say, sorry guys, ABCD has changed. So what happened? Out of the blue, someone just pops in and says, okay, there's a platform. Let me say, people didn't expect this, but there's a company called MicroStrategy. This company just started live streaming on YouTube. Like, it has never happened like that before. I've never witnessed something. Even when I went to like watch, honestly, all I saw was like some people, like these people are whites, they are not Africans, if I can say. But so when they were live streaming, you find like over 4 live streams were playing at the same time. Bro, I've never seen something like that. So maybe it could be possible because YouTube has introduced maybe a way like you can go live with your other channel, like with a friend's channel or and you just like you collaborate, but you go live all at a go. So I don't know if it is that feature, but honestly you can't. I've never tried. I don't think it is okay. But then most of the people are saying that Wodemaya's channel was permanently deleted and banned out of YouTube because it violated community guidelines. But I can assure you, like right now, if you type Wodemaya, you can't find him on YouTube. So yesterday until early morning today, when you type searching for Wodemaya, you'll find MicroStrategy somewhere, and then you can see the subscribers still 1.2 million subscribers. Bro, this is strange. And then you can see down there the total views since 2013. You can see that the total views are 192 million views. So when you scroll and see the community posts are hidden. You can't see polls, you can't see images, you can't see any photos or links posted there. So they say the content is being hidden, is made, I don't know, private or something. So I don't know, people are saying maybe he sold his channel. Hey man, I can't judge. I'm not here to judge. But in case he sold it, it's his choice. He worked for it. But I would say maybe he would have come up clean and told people what happened. It's better you let us know. I personally, I feel like I lost something big. Africa has lost great people. The real Africa is gone. Like, to restore it takes like hundreds of years. So we feel like we don't want to lose our people on top there. People who are like standing for us, a voice to others, inspiration, education, motivation, even business. Many people are doing businesses these days online. So please, if you're an African out there, let's find out. Let me know in the comment section what could be happening. Because if you're a content creator, today is Wodemaya. It happened to him. Tomorrow might happen to you. So what I heard about this MicroStrategy company, it's a cryptocurrency company that hacks. I don't know, I'm not accusing, but they normally say it takes your like your platform. They target big YouTubers, like maybe 100, like 1 million plus subscribers. So they take your channel for a week after doing whatever they want, and then they return your channel. So man, we hope Wodemaya will be back. Thank you for watching this video. This is Afrosam tuned live, just reacting from Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa to the world. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the disappearance of Wodemaya's content, channel. So please share this video, give a thumbs up. We need Wodemaya back. Africa is crying. We need him back by all means. Thank you. Stay tuned. I was about to leave, but I said no, let me drop this piece at Afrosam-TV. Thank you for watching. Peace out. See you soon in the next episode.